Hello. I wanted to make some small dog treats for my 12-pound miniature schnauzer. I found these silicone dog biscuit molds on Amazon and ordered them. And then I also found a recipe for dog treats on the internet, which I will include in a link down below. So, pretty easy recipe. All we've got is 2 eggs beaten, 2 tablespoons of oil, a half a cup of tapioca flour, half a cup of regular wheat flour, a half a cup of peanut butter powder, and a half a cup of water. We'll mix those all together here and make a mess while I'm doing it. Okay, got a fairly smooth mixture there. Next, I'm going to put the mold on a piece of parchment paper on the tray. And then it also comes with this little scraper for getting it into the individual treats. Okay, now that I've got most of the little treats filled up with the mixture, I'm going to put it in the oven for 12 minutes at 350 degrees. Okay, the 12 minutes is up, so let's get this out of there. And this one up to the above it. Okay, and I don't know how well you can see those. All right, they look like they baked up pretty nicely. They're starting to pull away from the edges a little bit. So I think the time was just about right. What we're going to do now is just let this set for a couple minutes and until the silicone cools off enough that we can touch it, stretch it a little bit, and empty the treats out. These have been cooling for probably about 8 minutes, and they're perfectly cool enough to hold on to the mold here. And I'm just stretching it a little bit in each direction, and we'll empty them out. Got a few that didn't want to come out there. Okay, we didn't need to wash that whole thing. They certainly don't taste like people treats, but let's see what Jake thinks of them. So I am not real impressed with the flavor of these treats, but let's see what my little buddy Jake thinks of them. He's resting on the back of the couch here, looking out his window. Here you go, buddy. You know what I got, don't ya? You seem to like them pretty well, huh? Another one? Yeah. That's a good boy. Even though I wasn't real impressed with the taste of these treats, Jake seemed to like them, and that's the important part. So I will definitely be making them again. Next time I'll leave them in the oven a little bit longer and see what the consistency of them is like with that time. Anyway, I want to thank you for taking the time to watch the video. If you liked it, please give me a like and subscribe. Thanks. Have a great day.